Wakili was shot a total of 8 times.
Mamia ya mawakili wakiongozwa na Rais wa LSK Faith Odhiambo mapema leo wameandamana kutoka katika mahakama kuu ya Milimani jijini Nairobi na kupitia barabara ya majengo ya bunge hadi barabara ya Harambee Annex yaliyoko makao makuu ya polisi maarufu Vigilance House. Yote haya ikiwa ni kuishinikiza serikali na asasi za usalama kuwajibikia haraka ipasavyo kifo cha mmoja wao marehemu wakili Lawyer Kyalo Mbobu aliyepigwa risasi mara 8 na kufariki papo hapo mnamo tarehe 9 katika barabara ya Magadi jiji kuu la Nairobi. Na hapa ndipo mawakili wamefika kuishinikiza serikali kuajibikia na vilevile kukamilisha uchunguzi kuhusiana na kifo cha mmoja wao ambaye ni wakili Lawyer Kyalo Mbobu aliyeuawa kwa mtutu wa bunduki mnamo siku ya Jumanne tarehe 9. Kwa mujibu wa Faith Odhiambo, kuna njama fiche ya kuwanyamazisha wanaopigania haki za wanyonge katika jamii.
Today the Law Society of Kenya has congregated to march in solidarity with the family of Kyalo Mbobu and as a solidarity of our family as the Law Society of Kenya. The killing of one of us, you hurt all of us. And we stand together as the Law Society of Kenya. We are demanding immediate investigations into his death. We want periodic updates. We want the police to carry out thorough investigations and to update the Law Society that they have since arrested the perpetrators and that we want to see them in court so that we can see those who attempt to take the law into their hands.
Amerejelea kifo cha aliyekuwa mbunge wa Kasipul Charles Ong'ondowere aliyeuawa katika mazingira sawia na ya wakili Mbobu.
This killing also brings into question several things. Recently we saw the killing of a member of parliament. Now we see the killing of an advocate. It raises questions in how gun control is managed in our country. How can we trace those who have been issued with this arms, and how can we bring them to book? Secondly, a crisis that people are now taking the law into their hands. We are seeing more and more vigilante in our streets, and we must ask the national government to take up its responsibility and bring this to a total halt.
Vyombo vya habari pia vilishauriwa kuzipa asasi husika nafasi ya kukamilisha uchunguzi bila kuhitilafiana navyo kisheria.
Members of the bar serve in various high sensitive cases, and I must say that we're also calling out the media that allow the police to complete investigations, casting aspersions onto any issue of the advocate does not negate the fact that his life was unlawfully taken. Right to life is inherent. Allow the police to carry out the investigations so that we do not crucify the advocate in the court of public opinion. We saw the same being done when the member of parliament, after his killing, to create a story as to the reason behind his killing. We should not allow. Media has always been as the fourth estate, the ones bringing to light all the conspiracies, and so we ask, allow kindly for the investigations to be done so that we can have an unprejudiced determination as to what happened. Let us not allow opportunities for possibly the people who killed Kyalo Mbobu from getting away scot-free because of allegations of one or two things. Irrespective of whatever he may or may not have done, remember that we have courts of law. So if you have any claim, we have the civil courts or you have the criminal justice system to prosecute any matter that you have against any individual, and we have the disciplinary committee of the Law Society as well.
Wakili Philip Murgor amesema serikali ina kila haja ya kutekeleza wajibu wake wa kuwasaka wahuni wote waliojihami kwa mtutu wa bunduki na kuwaua Wakenya kiholela holela kila kunapokucha.
The president has said everything. I just want to emphasize just one thing. The police in this republic have a lot of resources, they have a lot of expertise, and they are able, and they have shown it, they are able to bring perpetrators of such crimes to justice in a very short time. I personally have had the assurance of the director of CID on this case. We hold him to that assurance. We expect action, we expect arrests, we expect people in court as soon as possible. It is all possible. So I just lend my voice to the president of the Law Society in saying we expect a lot. On the issue of the media, you have a job to report, and on the police, on the part of the police, all all those things you write are also matters that they should investigate. What the president refers to is prejudging the issue, suggesting there was a reason or suggesting there's no need to investigate. That is what we don't like. Thank you, and thank you for your support for this demonstration. Thank you.
Kwa upande wake kinara wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka amesema jiji la Nairobi limetekwa nyara na wahuni wanaojihami kwa mitutu ya bunduki na kuyakatiza maisha ya wanaopigania haki wanyonge katika jamii.
This country must go back to the rule of law. What has been happening now is the rule of gangsters. I don't know whether some of our leaders learned what is happening in Haiti. By the way, I must remind you, Haiti is a black country. Haiti was one country that fought for our independence, contributed significantly to the independence of this country. But it's a story for another day. Today, we are telling the police the perpetrators must be brought to book expeditiously. Whether it is William Ruto or whoever who is responsible for the killing of Kyalo must be brought to book expeditiously.
Kalonzo akisisitiza kuwa matukio ya mara kwa mara ya kuwalenga wenye sauti katika jamii hayajaanza leo, akirejelea vifo vya vijana waliouawa wakati wa maandamano ya kizazi Gen Z mnamo mwaka wa 2024 na 2025.
Lazima kuwe equality before the rule of law. Kama ni police bearing batons na kusema ni goons na police pia wapichuliwe. Hatutakubali kamwe nchi hii izorote kidemokrasia, izorote kwa kisha kila mwananchi analala vyema, anapata ulinzi ambao anahitaji chini ya katiba yetu.
Kinara huyo amesema imetosha na ni wakati mwafaka wa kuikomboa nchi hii kutoka mikononi mwa wahuni.
From Rex Masai in June 2025, young men who were killed by police snipers outside of parliament. We are saying, as lawyers, people who are custodians in the front line of defending the Constitution, we are saying enough is enough. Asanteni sana.
Wakili Njiru Ndegwa naye pia hakuachwa nyuma. Ameshikilia kauli kwamba wakili Kyalo Mbobu alikuwa na siri za wale aliokuwa akiwatafutia haki. Hivyo basi serikali inafaa kuwajibika ipasavyo na kuwajibisha wote waliohusika katika kifo chake.
We understand that the police is taking its investigations, but the office of Kyalo Mbobu, despite it being considered a scene of crime, is carrying very crucial confidential client information. So the police must treat that office with the confidentiality that deserves to be accorded to an office of a fallen lawyer. The LSK must take charge as a trustee of that office to ensure that all information that do not fall within the scope of investigation is protected. That is information that was given to Kyalo Mbobu in confidentiality, and therefore the same must be treated so that we clients who are not involved or any person who is not involved with what has befallen Kyalo may not be prejudiced by the so-called investigations. So we are asking the LSK to take the lead when the police is approaching the office of Mbobu Kyalo, to approach it in a manner that accords respect to the doctrine of confidentiality. We do not want to hear later that the doctrine of confidentiality has been breached and clients who are being represented by Kyalo are then being prejudiced and their cases being compromised. Thank you.
Baada ya maandamano ya mawakili kutoka katika mahakama ya Milimani na kufika katika jumba la vigilance, kinachosubiriwa sasa ni kuona endapo kilio chao kitasikizwa na wale ambao walihusika na kifo cha wakili Kyalo Mbobu kuwajibishwa kwa mujibu wa sheria. Nikiripotia Mo Radio kutoka katika makao ya vigilance jiji kuu la Nairobi, jina langu ni Ronnie Regan.
Mo Radio 88.2 FM. We are in charge.